Hello, friends. My name is Herbert Flores. Okay, I would like to present to you my new business. It's a social media site that we're in. You can make money online while making friends and help others earn up to $88,572 per month, or in peso, you can earn up to 1.7 million. Okay, I know we are so active using social media like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media sites. Okay, but eventually we are not making money. We are not getting information. Okay, on how to get motivated. Okay, right now we will change the concept of a social media, and I would like to share to you the new social media site. Okay, they call it the Infinity Supreme or the Infinicence. Okay, let the social media revolution work for you, because many people are online every day using Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Okay, and now here is Infinicence, your gateway to the future of a bright home-based career. It is the perfect infusion of 4 million multi-billion dollar business models. We have the social networking, the network marketing, direct selling, and online marketing in one business. Okay, Infinicence is a whole of everything. It is a full social network. It is a full direct selling business. It is a full online marketing program. And it is a full network marketing business. Unlike most others, which are only half or less of each industry. You can sign up for free and discover how you can turn an enjoyable activity like socializing into your most powerful global money making weapon. Okay? And now, Infinicence was born. Okay? You can sign up here on my landing page. Okay? You can visit teamchosen1.infinitysupreme.com. Okay? Then you can sign up. After you sign up, you can log in. If you are already a member, you can make friends with other and get free wealth building training resources. Motivate and be motivated to grow for life. Build a global career by doing what you're enjoying. Okay? While you are in Facebook, you can open this new social media site. Okay? Now I will log in on my account to see what happened. Okay? Enter your email and your password. Now you will see my homepage, okay, my account here in Infinicence. Okay, if you compare the Infinicence social media site to other social media networking site like Facebook, here in Infinicence, you will see some, okay, you will see some stuff, or what do you call this? You will see the pictures or the tab, okay? You will see about what is in Finicens. You can click the About Us, okay? About the company, the Infinity Supreme, okay? Managed by Mr. Franco Renato Chavez or Mr. Francis Chavez, okay? Our managing director, and Miss Raj David, director for customer care, okay? And now Infinicens is looking for more incorporator to build a new corporate team. Okay, then you can click the products. What are the products here in Infinicens? Okay, we have the digital products like Millionizers, the Millionizers Infinity series. Okay, by James Lee Valentin. Okay, you can get I think 30 uh, motivational video. Okay, if you buy this, just only $22. Okay, what are samples of this video or you will see here in Millionizer videos like confidence, self-esteem, goal setting, self-motivation. You can have a positive thinking. You can learn about love attraction, wealth and money, time management, and everything. More on personality and how to empower your mind. Okay. There are 6 volumes of Millionizer Infinity series. Each volume costs $22 or 888 pesos. Okay. Then we have the Supreme Library. Okay, Supreme Library is composed of ebooks, downloadable ebooks, okay, over 1,000 resources and continuously growing. Okay, here are the sample like if you want to if you want to lose your weight, they have a six-pack abs. Okay, you will learn more here. You can download this and you can give them for free for your friends or sell it. Okay, if you are an internet marketer, there's a lot of softwares or templates or plugins, okay, on how to start a home-based business. You will learn a lot if you grab the Supreme Wealth Library. Then we have the wellness products like Infinity Tea, drinking tea and making money. Okay, we have here the Infinity Tea. Okay, uh, can be purchased in 3 products worth of 888 or $22 via PayPal or Alert Pay. Okay, composes of goji berry, ginkgo biloba, grapeseed, mangosteen, and other herbal supplements. Okay, each bag contains 18 sachet. Okay, take a look this Vita Cafe. The Vita Cafe is the 14-in-1 coffee mix. Okay, we have the agaricus mushroom, gotu kola, pandan, banana leaf, lagundi leaf, moringa, lemongrass, ginseng, anise, kelp, corn, dextrine. Okay, Vita Cafe can be purchased in a tri-pack. You can purchase 3 products worth of 888 or $22. Or you can choose Dinergy coffee. Okay, it's an energy blend coffee or energy booster coffee. Okay, why? because it has a Tongkat Ali, ginseng, and Goto Cola. Okay, each bag contains 18 sachet. Okay, for only 888 pesos or $22. Okay, you can become a premium member of Infinicents at the same time a global distributor of Infinity Supreme Alliance when you purchase our product. Okay, and lastly we have the Infuse. Okay, Infuse a multi-herbal food and beverage fortifier. It's a wellness product. Okay, you can mix it into the water or in your food, on your everyday food or drinks. Okay, what are the benefits of this Infuse? Okay, you will see. You can read the components of this Infuse. Okay, we have the pandan, banana. Okay, and other things. This is good for the blood circulation, good for asthma. Okay, it promotes stronger immune system. Okay, try it, the Infuse. 2 packs equals to 2 bucks. Okay, 2 packs worth of 888 or 22 US dollar. Okay, and that's it for the products. And I think that there will more products will come. Okay, just visit the website and log in on your account. Okay, now we will visit this. How to earn here. Okay, easy as a gift. Earning regular income in Infinity Supreme is easy for simple steps. Okay, step one, you go to premium. First step is to upgrade your account to become a premium member. You have a privilege of turning this social network into money-making machine. After that, okay, you can invite your friends, okay, to upgrade. Okay, you need only a capital of worth of $22 or 888 peso valuable products in exchange. Okay, then you can after that the process you will receive an email that your account is now available or you can now share it to your friends because you have a replicated website or referral link. Okay, now you can invite your friends. Okay, then they will visit your landing page and they will sign up. Okay, or you can use the invite system. You just click the invite. Okay, then you can log in onto your email accounts. Then your password, then click the invite friends. Okay, then they will receive a email, the link. Then the third step is to follow up the people who join on your on your link. Okay, to encourage them to go premium upon signing up. Your referrals will automatically receive a friend request, okay, from you, which they will most likely accept as they have no other friends yet in the system. You will also receive a notification email about your new sign up with his or her contact email. Just contact them and constantly motivate them to upgrade by showing the beauty of the products or the profitability of the program. Okay? Once upgraded to premium, the next move for your referrals is to teach them to copy or duplicate whatever you did on the step 2, step 3, and step 4 that made you succeed in convincing them to join and upgrade. Your success in Infinity Supreme depends highly on how much you are able to pass. on your effective techniques and strategies and helping them pass it on to their own referrals. Okay, while you are on Facebook, you can share your links, okay, to all of your friends, like what I did on my one of my friend, Arlene. She already signed up, and now she was interested on this my business, on this new business. Okay, when your direct referrals, when your direct referrals begin upgrading and begin duplicating your income, will start growing. There are two powerful ways to earn on Infinities of Rim. Okay, these are called the pay plan bonuses. Okay, here are the ways to earn. First, there are two ways to earn. Okay, earn, earn, earn them, earn them both at the same time, even only one effort. Okay, by adding friends. Okay, by signing up. Okay, then after they sign up, among these five people, three of them upgraded to premium by purchasing our life transforming personal empowerment products. They got to premium after these three people. Okay, these three upgrades, you already earn $6 or $3 from the redundant infinity referral bonus. Okay, and $3 from the redundant infinity 3 by 10 matrix. It depends. You can refer more people. Okay, your direct referrals unlimited $1 if they purchase the digital products. Okay, if you have if your direct referrals, okay, are more than three, then they will spill under on your first three direct. Okay, you are helping three your first three downlines to have a downline and they will earn. Okay, like here the redundant infinity referral bonus. You will see the three first level and they invite their friends. You are still earning $1, $1, and $1 every person from level 1 to level 2 up to fifth level of referral purchases. Okay, the redundant infinity 3 by 10 matrix. Okay, up to 10th level purchases. Okay, you will earn $1. Okay, imagine this one. Here's the computation. Okay, in this scenario, we will show you if you do this every day or every week. It depends on your goal. Okay, example, on your first week or first day, you have friends, you have five friends who already go to premium or upgraded. Okay, you will earn $1. $1 multiplied by five person, you will earn $5. These five friends invite five every person invite five people equals to 25 person. Okay, times $1, you will earn $25, and your friends do the same. They duplicate their self into five. Into level 3, you will have 125 brands multiplied by $1. You have $125. At level 4, you will earn $625. And lastly, on the level 5, you will earn $3,125 with a total amount of $3,905. This is your potential income per account. Depends on you if you will buy over and over again after you purchase the Millionizer after a month or after a week. You will buy other products. Okay, you can get another account. Okay, okay. Here the redundant infinity 3 by 10 matrix. If you then your three friends purchase or go to premium, you will earn $1. $1 times 3, you will earn $3. And these three invite three people. Okay, they become nine. 9 times $1, $9. Okay, to level 3, you will earn $27. On the level 4, you will earn $81. On the level 5, you will earn $243. At level 6, you will earn $729. At level 7, you will earn $2,187. At level 8, $6,561. At level 9, you have $19,683. At the level 10, you can earn $59, $59,049. Okay, your total potential income per account will $88,572 if this is a perfect duplication. Okay, I think this is possible. Why? We have a lot of friends on Facebook on, or other social media sites, but they are not earning. Right here, just bring them, okay? Invite them to join here. Then you will earn this kind of amount. Note that our tangible wellness products available only in some countries only has a pay bonus of 0.5 per purchase per level in the redundant infinity referral bonus and a pay bonus of 0.5 per purchase per level in the redundant infinity 3 by 10. The above assumption and projections refer to our digital products which are available worldwide in 200 countries. Okay? If you have some question, you can click the FAQ section. Okay? If what is infinity, okay, just click it. And then if you want to see your back office or some groups here, events, invite, okay, how to go premium, okay, just select what country, your country, okay. You can pay via PayPal, AlertPay, Smart Money, Globe GCash, Union Bank, Western Union, or LBC Remit Express. There's a lot of option you can do how to upgrade into premium. Okay, then if you're already upgraded, you can check your back office. Okay, you can log in to your back office like this one. What I am doing is to show you what is in the inside of my back office. Okay, okay, here's the control panel. Okay, you can share your website on Facebook. Okay, then You will see your genealogy tree or your organizational chart inside on your back office. Okay, then you can reorder again a product inside your back office and you can pay again here and you will see your commission. Okay, you can request. Okay, you can check this one and you will request for payout. Okay, with a minimum of $2.50 or 100 peso. Okay, that's all for now. I hope this is clear to all newbies out there, and welcome to our business. Okay, the Infinicents. I hope you can be part of my team. Okay, for more info, you can like us on Facebook. Okay, facebook.com/team chosen one. Okay, like us and get more tips on how to boost your social media revolution business. Okay, how to make money online or other things we can share to you how to market this business online or offline. Okay, I think you can do this offline because we have a poster or a flyer. Okay, it's a downloadable. Okay, and for those who are just signing and not yet already upgraded, they can download the 25 powerful wealth building books and you can listen while you are online. Okay, the wealth building audios to enhance, to empower your mind. Okay, for the full presentation of our business, you can watch the video. Okay, the webcast by Miss Rats David. Okay, that's all for now, and you can add me on Infinicians. Okay, Herbert Flores, and that's all for now. Happy holiday, happy new year, okay, and success will follow to us on 2012. God bless to all of you.